Hi, I'm Jasmine and welcome to this channel. Blogsdom has allowed me to share some light on the topic of passive income. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for future uploads. Also, you can check out the playlist on this channel for more tutorials. Let's get straight into the video. Many entrepreneurs are making money daily through passive income. This video will explain 8 ways you too can make passive income. To help you better understand passive income, I will first define it. Passive income is any money or payment you receive monthly or yearly without repeating effort from a product or service rendered until it is no more valid. A course online or an ebook is one example. To make money, the earner doesn't have to do it repeatedly. People often view passive income as money that comes to you while you sleep, but this assumption isn't necessarily valid. And I will tell you why. Without some initial investment or upfront work, passive income is impossible. The future passive income you earn is dependent on whether or not you have invested. It would be best to make an initial investment to generate passive income. The income earned on the investment is through time or money, and it varies based on the business. It's a steady income stream, and it doesn't matter how much it is, and it's money that you get often. So, number 1, create a YouTube channel to promote your business. A YouTube channel is the first passive income stream. It allows you to share your knowledge with others and will enable them to learn from you. Many people will watch it. Sometimes you don't even need to be a professional. You don't have to be a teacher to enjoy watching others. Sometimes people tend to you because of your personality, and we watch YouTube videos because we like what they are doing. How can you make money? Let's discuss the process. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of YouTube viewing in the past 12 months. Once you have met these requirements, you can apply to be approved. Google AdSense is the source of the money you earn from the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube's unique feature is its ability to generate passive income streams through free traffic, allowing you to promote other recurring revenue products. YouTube is a bit competitive, especially for beginners. Therefore, I recommend you subscribe to one of these browser extensions to help you grow faster on YouTube. And they are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Both come with a free plan and a premium plan. I use both tools, but I personally like TubeBuddy better. Check the link in the description box to help you access the page. TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension and accredited YouTube SEO tool that provides access to your YouTube dashboard. Your YouTube dashboard is completely revamped with many features after installing it on your browser and logging in. TubeBuddy is YouTube certified, so you know it's completely safe. TubeBuddy extension is free and covers the essential tools. Subsequent subscriptions range from $9 to $49 a month. Bonus: if your channel has less than 1,000 subscribers, TubeBuddy offers reductions of up to 50%, making it very reasonable if you're just a beginner. Number 2, start affiliate marketing business. Share information about other products and services, and a link to the page to buy the item, a method known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing online is excellent as you don't need to sell any product physically. You can use what you have and refer people to the same place that sells the product. You then get the commission. Affiliate marketing does not require you to hold stock, and the product is not yours. The commission is only for referrals. The product must have been mentioned or discussed in the video to create awareness. Affiliate marketing could also be a way to make passive income via your YouTube channel. For beginners, I advise you join the ClickBank or Digistore 24 affiliate networks. Amazon is the biggest affiliate program by far, but you need to sell a lot to earn reasonable income. JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Share a Sale are also good affiliate networks to consider. There are more, but just to name few. Number 3, create an online course. You can create a digital course about affiliate marketing, blogging, or any other topic you have been skilled in over the years. People can sign up for it or purchase it if it is valuable. Then promote it on your blog, YouTube channel, or website, and if you have enough traffic, you can direct viewers and subscribers to it. You will have people subscribing and watching you teach. It will take some work up front, but it will pay off. Number 4. Start a blog. You can use your blog to sell products and advertising space. Reviewing products is a great way to make money with a blog quickly. You will need a domain name and a web hosting company to get started. Do not use free blogging platforms. Affiliate programs require that you have your website before joining their programs. How do they know this? By your custom email address. Number 5. Stock photos and audio business. You can either sell your music to your photographer or your photos as stock photos, and companies that list images on different platforms sell them to the public. You can sell your photos whenever you want online. It allows you to make money even after you take them. You can also sell it multiple times throughout the years. Digital downloads are possible if you have good graphic design skills. Make art, then make it available as digital downloads. Number 6. Cryptocurrency trading. It involves trading in cryptocurrencies or buying stocks from private companies. Crypto is a lucrative business, and I advise you to look into it. Number 7. Dropshipping business. It's possible to make a living from this business still, contrary to what many people believe. You can start dropshipping products if you are a good marketer. This model is both a challenge as well as a disadvantage. The product is yours to control. Profit margins will be shallow due to the intense competition. Dropshipping is an excellent way of making money, especially if you have strong marketing skills. Number 8. Property rentals. It is one of the most reliable and oldest ways to make money. You will need to invest a lot upfront and have more capital to rent out properties. You can get a loan to buy properties, which will eventually pay off due to the recurring income it will generate over time. Renting property is a great business opportunity for many entrepreneurs. People spend more money on things they value. Therefore, you need to add value to the property to make it worthwhile for people renting the property. Thank you for taking the time to watch this to the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you here for the next upload.